Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can block absolutely any application on your Android device. Subscribe please to our channel, put your likes, write your comments. And let's get started. So, if you want to block any app, first of all, I'll tell you where you might need it at all. For example, you have social media and you can get into it by just clicking on some social media and it will open up for you. But let's say, for example, if you know someone picks up your phone a lot. And you don't want that person to be able to go to your social networks, or your gallery, or whatever and look at your information, or read your correspondence, then I suggest you block the app. And in order to do that, you will need to download a special application first. You can find it in Play Store on your Android. In the search box, you type App Lock. Go to the app. Now I'll show you, this is what it looks like. You will need to download it first. This app is safe and free, so you can download it and have no fear. Next, you will need to open it. And now you will need to choose a password that you will set to lock the app. And if you click on this box here, you can choose what kind of password you'd like to set for yourself. 4 digits, 6 digits, or a picture, for example. I'm going to go with 4 digits, and now you have to enter the password. And then we confirm it, and you have to enter it again to confirm it. Now you'll need to help this app connect to all of your apps and social media to block them. And for that you will need to go to the bottom row and then enable App Lock Pro. Next we turn on the top row. Okay. And here in this list, you can choose which apps you would like to, for example, block. I have them like Messenger, YouTube, Zoom, various social networks, TikTok, X, and so on. Phone. After you select the app you want, to be locked, you also need to activate App Lock Pro. It will be right here at the top. You click Activate, and then you will be notified that your app is already under the block. And now at the top, you'll be able to see apps that are not yet locked and apps that are already locked. For example, we can see that app X is already on the block. If I try to open application X, I will be asked for my password first, and only then will I be able to enter this application. And the same thing will happen. For example, if I try to enter Instagram, I will be asked to enter my password first, and only then will I be able to enter Instagram. Only you will know this password, so only you will be able to log in. What do you do if you, for example, do not want a certain app to be in the block? Then next to it you click on the lock and this application automatically comes to the unlocked folder. And you can do the same with unlocked applications. You can click on the open lock sign next to them, and they will go to the blocked folder at once. In this simple way, you can block absolutely any application. I hope this video was useful for you. Subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments. See you soon.